Hello and good evening friends. Today I Mahendra Prasar welcome you all on my YouTube channel Learning English Systematically. The topic for the day is learning one word substitutions. Learning one word substitutions is useful in two ways. On one hand, it will improve your English skills, English communications. On the other hand, it will make you ready and it will prepare you for the competition examinations also. To learn one word substitutions conveniently, I have categorized all the words into 10 categories, and the category number 1 is related to logies. Logies means a sort of study of a subject or a branch of a study. The first word is anthropology. Anthropology refers to the study of human developments and human relations in between the societies. Next word is astrology. Astrology is the study of a celestial bodies to predict about the events or human beings. Next is chronology. Chronology is the study of events sequence wise. Next is biology. Biology is the study of life and living beings. Next is ecology. Ecology is the study of a environment and the relationship of all creatures with the environment. Next is epidemiology. Epidemiology is the study of epidemics. What is epidemic? Epidemic is a disease that has spread on the larger area. And the last word in the logy category is related to the word etymology. Etymology is the study, scientific study of the about the origin of the words. And the second category is related to the manias. What is mania? Mania is a sort of craze or a kind of a desire that is hard to express. First word is Anglomania. Anglomania is the desire for the collection of English goods or English things. It may be reading about English more and more. It may be collection of the English goods more and more. Next is Technomania. Technomania is the sort of a mania where a person is crazy for new sort of a technology. Next is Dipsomania. Dipsomania is the craze or the thirst for consumption of wine in abundance or more and more. Next is mythomania. Mythomania is the habit of telling lies by hiding the truth. And the last word in this series is megalomania. Megalomania is the word that refers to the person who is only habitual of a listening self appraise or a recommendation. Third category is related to phobia. Phobia is a kind of a fear or a kind of a hatredness. The first word is monophobia. Monophobia is the word that is made by the combination of two words, mono plus phobia. Phobia, fear. Mono means a single. A person who can't live alone or he gets afraid of living alone. Next is a neophobia. Neophobia is the sort of phobia or afraid or you can say fear where a person is unable to meet with the strangers. He is not happy to meet with the new situations or new sort of people. Next word is aerophobia. Aerophobia is related to the fear of the height. Next is hydrophobia. Hydrophobia is the fear of water. A person who is a victim of hydrophobia is always deprived of the water gamings. And the last word in the phobia is negrophobia. Negrophobia is a sort of hatredness that a person has in the mind against the Negroes, especially of a African origin. The fourth category is related to the ism. Ism is a sort of ideology or a system of a thought. In this category, the first word is a regionalism. Regionalism is a sort of ism where in this sort of a ism, the person who is victim of a regionalism always prefers the people and their interest who are living in his own region or area. Next is nationalism. Nationalism is a thought or ideology where the person gives the almost priority to the nation and he is somewhat some kind of a patriotic person. Next word is federalism. Federalism is the ideology which spoiled the distribution of the powers between the state and the centers. Next is a rationalism. Rationalism is the thought or the ideology which believes in the solutions of the problem on the basis of the logic, reason and cause and consequences against the false belief and faith system. The last word in this ism is casteism. In the Hindu society, there are a lot of castes, and the persons who believe in the betterment and well-being of only his only caste is the victim of casteism, or you can refer casteism to the theory where the people are divided on the basis of the interest on their particular castes. Viewers, the fifth category is related to the logist. Logist is a person who is skillful in a particular field or an area. The first word is a horologist. Horologist is a person who is skillful, expert in making and repairing the watches. The second word is a archaeologist. Archaeologist is a person who studies about the past on the basis of the historical resources and by making the excavation. Next is criminologist. Criminologist is a person who is a expert in solving the cases of crimes, and he has a good knowledge about the causes and consequences related to the crime. Next is a psychologist. Psychologist is the person who studies about the mind and human behavior, that is a basis on the human thoughts. And last word is a cardiologist. Cardiologist is the person who has the depth knowledge about the functioning of the heart, diseases of the heart, ailment of heart and their cures. The sixth category in the one word substitutions is related to the time. There are various units of the time. The first one is a fortnight. Fortnight refers to the duration of 15 days. Next is a quarter. Quarter refers to the duration of the 3 months. Then is a decade. Decade refers to the duration of the 10 years. Then is centennial. Centennial refers to the duration of the 100 years. Then in the last is the word millennium. Millennium word refers to the duration of 1000 years. And the seventh category is related to the traits of the people. In this world, there are various sorts of people who have lots of qualities, lots of virtues and lots of wishes also. So the first word is a pessimist. Pessimist is the person who always looks upon the darker sides of the things. Next is a ambidexter. This word is very much important because it is repeatedly asked in the examination. Ambidextrous is a person who is skillful to do the work equally with his both hands. Next is kleptomania. Kleptomania is the habit of the stealing of goods. Whether the person who is victim of kleptomania is not termed as a thief, but he has a desire to steal the things repeatedly. Next word is a benevolent. A person who is the spoilter of the human well-being and human rights or the goodwill of humanity is known as benevolent. Next word is misanthrope. Misanthrope is a person who does not support the human rights. And the last word in this category is a demagogue. Demagogue is the word that refers to the orator who delivers the political speeches to provoke the people. And the eighth category is related to the various sorts of places. There are lots sorts of places which are named with the different words. Let us read about them. The first word is a archipelago. Archipelago is the word that indicates about the presence of various small islands in the sea. Next is apiary. Apiary is the word that refers to the place where bees are kept. Next is monument. Monument is the building which is built in memory of someone. Next word is museum. Museum is the place where the things related to various cultures and societies or related to the arts are displayed or presented. The next word is a asylum. Asylum is the place where the political refugees or the people who are mentally retarded or mentally slow, they are kept there. And the viewers, the ninth category is related to the various sorts of professions in this world. No two people are equally talented and every person needs a various sort of a profession. That's why this is the category which is related to the various professions. The first word is a chauffeur. Chauffeur is the person that refers to a person who is employed as a driver to drive the cab or a car privately. Next word is cartographer. Cartographer is the person who is skillful or expert in preparing the maps. Next is lexicographer. Lexicographer is the person who is skillful in preparing the dictionaries. The next word is smuggler. Smuggler is the person who is engaged in carrying or transporting the things illegally. And the last word in this category is the ambassador. Ambassador is the person who is appointed by one government in another country as its representative. The 10th category is related to the miscellaneous words. In this category there are various words which are not categorized in the above 9th categories. The first word is a panacea. Panacea is considered the medicine which may cure all sorts of medicines. And the last word is the second word in this category is voice, that is related to the sea journey. Next is calligraphy. Calligraphy refers to the handwriting beautifully. The next word is a philately. Philately refers to the hobby or habit of collecting the postage stamps. And the last word in this category is a nostalgia. Nostalgia is the feeling of remembering the old past good days. So in the last, I do hope you liked this video, and if you have really liked it, please don't forget to click the like button, and if you are not subscribed to my video, please subscribe it so that you may get the notification as I get the new video for you. Thank you.